We're here at slip 57 at Marsh Landing Marina, Vessel Daddy's Girl. It is February 25th, 2021. I'm going to take a before video. Let's take a look. Knocking off the split material of that zinc so that it can do its job. When the zinc has started to deteriorate and you leave the ash on the outside, it stops doing its job. I think we'll probably need to replace the zincs on these drives either next month or the following. We'll get her all cleaned up, then get you an after video. Thanks for choosing DS Diving Service.